You just bought a DLC on your PS5, you installed it. But when you open the game, it's not there. No new content, no expansion, nothing. This is one of the most frustrating problems PS5 players face. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Step 1. Check if the DLC is installed. Sometimes the DLC is purchased, but not installed. Go to Settings, then go to Storage, then go to Console Storage, then select Games and Apps. Find your game in the list. Press the Options button on the controller, select Manage Game Content. Now check if your DLC appears in the list. If it shows not installed, install it from here. Many players fix the problem at this step. Step 2. Restore PS5 licenses. Sometimes the license verification fails. Restoring licenses can instantly fix missing DLC. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then select Restore Licenses. Now choose Restore. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, restart the game and check again. This fix is recommended directly by PlayStation support. Step 3. Check the game region. This is a very common issue. Your game region must match the PlayStation Store region where the DLC was purchased. For example, if your game disc is from Europe, but your PlayStation account is USA, the DLC may not work. To check this, look at the small code on the game disc box. You can also search the CUSA number online to confirm the region. If the regions do not match, the DLC will not appear in the game. Unfortunately, the only solution is using the correct region game or buying the DLC from the matching region store. Step 4. Restart the PS5 console. This sounds simple, but it often works. A full restart refreshes system data and game content. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart PS5. After restart, open the game again. Many players on Reddit and PlayStation forums confirm this fix. Step 5. Check if the DLC unlocks later in the game. Some DLC content does not appear immediately. It unlocks only after reaching a certain part of the game story. Examples include new missions, characters, or areas. Check the DLC description in the PlayStation Store. It usually tells when the content becomes available. Step 6. Restore game data. If nothing worked yet, try reinstalling the game. Do not worry, your save progress will remain safe. Go to Game Library, then select the game, then press the Options button, then choose Delete. After deleting, download the game again from your library, then reinstall the DLC. Step 7. Check PlayStation Store purchase history. Sometimes the purchase may not complete properly. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Account, then go to Payment and Subscriptions, then select Transaction History. Check if the DLC purchase appears there. If it is missing, the payment may not have processed correctly. If your DLC is still not showing up, write your problem in the comments. Tell me your game name and what you already tried. I reply to every comment within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. And remember, every tech problem has a solution. You just need the right steps.